Welcome back to STEMxx Chats. As positive change makers, we want to make sure we're doing the best we can with our time. Having a balanced lifestyle takes effort. Here are some tips and tricks for making our goals a reality.
Identify. Think through your goals. Make a list of your life, family, academic, career, and personal goals. What goals are top priority? It can help to visualize them. Where might you be in 10 years? In 5 years? In 1 year? Break them down to think through what needs to happen now to make the future possible. How you want to live your life should be reflected in how you live your day. Goals for your life need to show up in tangible actions in your day. Think through how you spent your time today. Does this time reflect the goals you have? We all have time for what's most important to us. If our daily life is not matching our end goals, it may be time to pause and reboot and reprioritize.
Have a schedule, stick to it, and begin again. Once you know what you want to be doing with your time, plan on it and do it. Make sure your schedule has time for others, and remember to plan breaks, fun, and rewards for doing difficult tasks. What are big and small motivators you can use to trick yourself into working better? Let's be honest, life happens. If you can stick to your schedule 63% of the time, great. At the end of the day, make a resolution to try your best, and maybe you'll find that you can keep the schedule 64% of the time the next day. Don't be discouraged.
Fight procrastination. Procrastination can make us feel as if we have a heavy weight on our shoulders, and a lot of times that's the reason why we even begin to procrastinate, because we have so much to do we don't even know where to start, and we don't find the force within us to push us to get us to start. So have a to-do list and make sure to do the hardest and most important task first. From there, this will alleviate that stress and will encourage you to continue pushing through. Also, having a checklist and checking off each task you accomplish will help you visualize your goal and how close you are to attaining it.
Accountability. Find someone that can help you stay accountable. Whether that means working in the same room as someone and setting a timer, putting on controls to prevent yourself from going on social media, or making an accountability spreadsheet with a friend. It helps to have another person pushing you to be your best self.
Sharpen the saw. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Join the 5 a.m. club. It might not seem like self-care, but starting your day off early can help your esteem. Whether your 5 a.m. is 5, 7, 8, or 9, waking up early before anyone is emailing or messaging you for something, having some quiet time to refocus, review, and receive the day ahead goes a long way. Whatever time you set for yourself to get up, don't put it off. Sticking to your bedtime and wake time will help you to squeeze the most out of your day and get the sleep you need to be able to do so tomorrow.
STEM Chats exists to empower women in STEM. Follow us for more information, and if you would like to help us make this dream a reality, please get in touch.